Just imagine, for a second, losing the ability to walk without pain, or to hear a simple conversation, or, even to trust your own heart to keep beating. For millions of people, that's not some thought experiment, it's their daily reality. But this is exactly where modern medicine pulls off something that feels pretty close to a miracle. Not with some magic wand, but with incredible, precision engineered technology that literally restores life from the inside out. So let's dive into this amazing world.
And this isn't some niche, futuristic science fiction stuff. We're talking about a massive, massive scale. Over 2 million times every single year, someone, somewhere in the world, gets a medical implant. This technology is actively and profoundly shaping lives all around us, right this very second.
So, what are we really talking about when we say implant? I mean, how does a piece of technology actually become a part of us? Well, it all comes down to the science of seamless integration, of creating this tiny universe of tech that works within the human body.
At its heart, a medical implant is a device that's designed to step in when a part of our body just can't do its job anymore. But here's the cool part. It's not always about replacing something that's broken. These devices can also support a function that's struggling, or in some cases even enhance it beyond what it could do naturally. The secret sauce, the real magic key here, is something called biocompatibility. These devices are made from materials our bodies won't reject. Think titanium, special polymers, which allows them to work quietly and constantly right alongside our natural systems. They become a real, functional, integrated part of who we are. It's a true marriage of biology and technology. The impact of all this is just huge, but I think the best way to wrap our heads around it is to look at 5 key areas. Let's call them the 5 pillars of impact. This is how these devices are changing not just one person's life, but our entire approach to healthcare. And these 5 pillars really show you the whole spectrum of what's possible here, from treating life-threatening conditions and restoring basic quality of life, all the way to easing the burden on our healthcare systems and kicking off a whole new era of precision medicine. All right, let's break them down one by one.
First up, treating chronic conditions. Think about diseases that need constant, round-the-clock management. A pacemaker isn't just giving a little jolt now and then. It's on duty 24/7, regulating the heart's rhythm to prevent something catastrophic from happening. Or an insulin pump. It automates the delivery, freeing a person from that constant worry and monitoring. It's automated, continuous therapy, all happening from within.
The second pillar, this one might be the most personal. It's all about restoring quality of life. We're talking about giving people back the simple things, the things we so often take for granted. A cochlear implant can let someone hear a loved one's voice for the very first time. And a new hip or a new knee, that doesn't just stop the pain. It means someone can go walk their dog again or play with their grandkids and just live their life with freedom. Okay, now what's really crucial here is that the benefits go way beyond just the patient. By preventing major complications, these devices cut down on emergency room visits and long hospital stays. And get this, a lot of modern implants can even be monitored remotely by doctors, so they can step in before a problem turns into a crisis. It's making our entire healthcare system smarter and more proactive. As our population around the world gets older, this 4th pillar becomes more and more vital. Implants are absolutely key to helping older adults keep their independence and live with dignity. You've got cardiac devices supporting aging hearts and joint replacements that fight back against the loss of mobility. It's all about adding life to your years, not just years to your life. And finally, our 5th pillar. This one really points to the future: precision medicine. I mean, why flood your entire body with a powerful drug when you only need it in one tiny spot? Drug delivery implants can target a specific area, like a tumor, maximizing the good effects while dramatically cutting down on the bad side effects for the rest of the body. It's just a much smarter, more targeted way to deliver treatment. Okay, so we've seen the why and the incredible impact these pillars represent. Now let's explore the what. Let's take a quick tour of the modern medical landscape and see the actual devices that are making all of this possible. The sheer number of applications is just stunning. I mean, look at this. In the cardiac world, you have pacemakers and stents. In orthopedics, it's all about hip and knee replacements. For neurological issues, deep brain stimulators are treating conditions like Parkinson's. In sensory restoration, you've got cochlear implants changing lives, just like insulin pumps are doing for drug delivery. They are, quite literally, everywhere. So what's next? Where does all of this go from here? We've seen the present, but you can bet this technology is not standing still. We are absolutely moving into the next frontier, a
a phase you could really call engineering the human form.
The future is being built right now, right at the intersection of medicine, material science, and data. We're talking about implants that are smarter, smaller, and made from even more advanced materials that will integrate even more seamlessly with our bodies. The boundaries of what we think is possible, they're being completely redrawn every single day. And all of this, it leaves us with a really profound question. These devices restore us, they support us, and sometimes they even enhance us. So as this incredible merger of our technology and our biology keeps getting faster and deeper, it really forces us to ask, what does it truly mean to be human?